Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. Today we're doing the basics of technical analysis. So first of all, there are two primary methods to use to analyze securities. We're talking about stocks, bonds, what have you, to analyze companies and to analyze their stock. Fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves analyzing a company's financial statements to determine the fair value of the business, while technical analysis assumes that a security's price already reflects all publicly available information and instead focuses on the statistical analysis of price movement. Technical analysis may appear complicated on the surface, but it boils down to an analysis of supply and demand in the market to determine where the price trends is headed. In other words, technical analysis attempts to understand the market sentiment behind price trends rather than analyzing a security's fundamental attributes. If you understand the benefits of limitations of technical analysis, it can give you a new set of tools or skills that will enable you to be a better trader or investor over the long term. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to technical analysis and develop the foundation needed to understand more advanced concepts as we go on. Thank you all for watching.